Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the most sought-after suspension upgrades for Volkswagen enthusiasts, the maXpeedingrods Coilovers. If you're looking to transform your VW Golf MK4, new Beetle, Seat Leon, or VW Jetta MK4 with enhanced performance and style, you're in the right place. Stick around as we explore why these COI lovers are touted as the best in their class. Here they are, the maXpeedingrods Coilovers in striking gold. Designed with precision and performance in mind, these COI lovers promise to elevate your driving experience to new heights. First off, let's talk fitment. These COI lovers are tailor-made for the VW Golf MK4 from 1998 to 2007. The new Beetle spanning 1998 to 2010. The Seat Leon covering 1999 to 2006, and the VW Jetta MK4 from 1999 to 2005. It's crucial to note they won't fit 4 motion models or the VW Golf MK4 R32 and Audi Quattro variants. Now, what sets these apart? The maXpeedingrods Coilovers boast a dual-tube structure, which offers superior stroke length and height adjustability compared to single-tube designs. This translates to a smoother ride, reduced joint stress, and minimized friction, ensuring you get optimal comfort without sacrificing performance. Under the hood, or rather under the car, the front springs rate at 8 kg by m, while the rears handle 6 kg by m. This configuration strikes a balance between sporty handling and daily comfort. Crafted from high-strength 6061 aluminum alloy with T6 treatment, these COI lovers are not only lightweight but also incredibly durable. They're engineered to withstand the rigors of spirited driving while maintaining their integrity over the long haul. Installing these COI lovers is straightforward for those with moderate mechanical skills. They come fully loaded with all necessary components, making the installation process a breeze. Just remember to follow the manufacturer's guidelines and consider professional help if needed to ensure everything is set up correctly. To wrap it up, if you're searching for COI lovers that combine performance, durability, and adjustability at an affordable price point, look no further than the maXpeedingrods Coilovers. They're designed to enhance both the look and feel of your VW Golf MK4, new Beetle, Seat Leon, or VW Jetta MK4, making them a solid investment for any enthusiast. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Also, let us know in the comments if you've had any experience with maXpeedingrods or if you have any questions about these COI lovers. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.